Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create a poll in Facebook group. First step is launch the Facebook app in your mobile device. At the top right, tap the hamburger icon. Then tap group. Then tap your groups. Select the group for your poll. Then tap on write something. Then scroll down and select poll. Type a question. Then tap add a poll options. Then tap add a poll options. Once you are the post, hit post. Now your poll is created in your group.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.